I'm pissed off. I want you guys to go into a dream world and imagine this. Imagine you had a daughter. Imagine you're a father. You had a daughter. Let's say she's around 18 to 20. What kind of man would you want her to date? Would you A, choose a guy that's older or choose a guy that's younger about her age? The more I think about it, if I had a daughter, I would truly want her to date someone a bit older, because older people are more established. They have more income. Typically, they're more, let's say, confident. The older you are, the more experiences you have. And for a man, experience is really good. Not too long ago, I was rejected, and we're gonna talk about it.
DJ Reed's going crazy.
Listen to Naruto. Hold on. For the sake of authenticity, I go to a Mormon church. Well, I don't really go to the church. I more hang out with people that go to the church. But typically the girls around there are Mormon. That means, they wait till marriage, all that, all that spiritual stuff. I took this girl out. I thought we had a good date. It was a positive interaction in my opinion. But then a week or two passed after the date. Things happened. Then she rejected me. Basically what she said is she was not looking for a relationship, and when they date, they look for like marriage and relationship, forward. In the beginning, it hurts, when you get rejected. But then I talked to one of my friends, and then he broke it down for me. The thing is, girls that are Mormon, when they date, they typically date for a little bit more long term. Now I think about it, I wouldn't consider myself marriage material. I truly would not even consider myself a husband material. It's not like I'm too young. Oh, well, technically I'm too young. But what it is truly is I lack experience. My finances aren't in order. I'm still riddled with insecurities. I need to be more disciplined. I just need to be a better man in general. I don't know if it was this deep when she rejected me, but I'm really taking a look at myself. And I think you should do the same thing for you. I think it's important to take a little bit of accountability and be honest with ourselves. If you were a woman, would you even date yourself? And for me, the answer is yes, I would. But would I take myself seriously for marriage? Would I even consider myself as a worthy person to be a husband and potentially a father? Hell no. So I think it's important to take some accountability and do better moving forward. The reason why you're rejected is because our value is low. And that's important to understand. It's important to highlight. Your value is low right now, but it's fine. Because as for guys, our value tends to be low until, we grow older. We become more established. That means we literally create our value and we build on our value. And that's just how life is. It sucks. It's unfortunate. But there's no sun without the moon. There's no light without dark. There's no man without struggle. I'm starting a small community on Discord. Feel free to join the Discord. We're going to be improving each other, keeping each other accountable, and we're going to grow into better men. That is the point of the community, and that's why you should join.